Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Cookpad mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a useful tool for discovering and sharing recipes. Cookpad is available on iOS and Android and focuses on building a community of home cooks. Users can browse millions of user-submitted recipes from around the world, post their own recipes, and share photos of their dishes called Cooksnaps. The app allows searching recipes by ingredients, making it easier to use what you have at home. It features a clean interface with tabs for exploring new recipes and managing saved favorites. The social aspect is a core part of Cookpad, letting users follow others, comment on recipes, and get inspiration from a global cooking community. However, some drawbacks include inconsistent recipe quality since submissions are user-generated, and occasional bugs reported by users that affect app performance. There is no premium subscription, so all content is free, but this also means the app relies heavily on community participation and ads. Overall, Cookpad is great for those who enjoy cooking and want to engage with a worldwide community, but users should expect some variability in recipe detail and app stability. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, please refer to the email in the description.